this market feels almost blasphemous to me because we're being led by an outrageously bullish combination of stocks, the kind of stocks that absolutely should not be going higher at the same time. Nobody wants to say it, but I don't know if I can recall a moment where we have such disparate stocks climbing together to new highs. If you would even asked me a few weeks ago, I would have told you this combination that led us today is not conceivable. Yet that's what's happening. Dow gaining another 350 points today, record close. S&P jumped 1.17%, record close. NASDAQ pulled at 1.4%. You guessed it, record close. This action defies the whole nature of the conventional wisdom about what can happen when we're at this point in the business cycle. Now, look, in the old days before the crash of 2000, 2008, we'd be celebrating daily today. Now the commentators and prognosticators, they're circumspect. They just try to ignore what's happening. So they can go back to talking about how the consumers tapped out. Or something we learned about from some incredibly weak retail sales numbers just this morning, or how inflation is still raging and it's darn frightening, the budget deficit, a consumer price index that's too high. There were even people complaining about how the economy is just too hot still. I know. I saw it twice this morning. I wanted to reach in and grab the teeth, right, but I couldn't because, you see, they were right there, and I would have grabbed what I heard. All right, look, just a negative spin after negative spin on all sorts of positive news. Not only no celebration, no positive nature, but really an out-and-out pessimist day. I don't know how they can do it. Then there are the stocks themselves. When you listen to the stocks, they're saying shut up and drive. They're not saying you must not listen to all the strategists and billionaires who are trying their best to scare you to the sidelines. They are telling you those people are awful. The bears have had it wrong. There are just too many groups going higher all at once. That's what's happening.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.